Shanghai, a city famous for its beautiful skyline and historic charm. But did you know there is so much more you can experience here? Like ordering some fresh lemon iced tea delivered by drone. Or how about stepping into a driverless taxi that whisks you straight to the Oriental Tower? This city is seriously living in 2050. And I'm about to show you exactly what it's like living here. So join me on this insane adventure as I spend the next 2 weeks exploring China, making friends, and getting an exclusive glimpse into the future. Guys, girls, do you want to know why Shanghai is the future? It's because you can order food by drone. Check this out. So guys, all you do, you scan your QR code, you order the food that you want. In my case, I ordered some tea. And then the drone comes and it delivers your food. So here we are. The drone is coming down with my lemon iced tea. This is so in the future, guys. Only in Shanghai can you get a drone to deliver you lemon iced tea. Crazy. So what you do next, you go to the screen, type in your number, which my good friend Zheng will help me with. There's my good friend Zheng. Put in your number as it loads. And there's your food. So cool. Thank you so much. Thank you. You know what? It tastes pretty good too. Also got a cool rubber duck. The hospitality here has just been absolutely amazing. So shout out to you, Zheng. Shout out to all the great people here. Later, I spent the evening cruising the river to see the skyline for myself. And honestly, it was breathtaking. Good evening, guys, and welcome to the Yuyuan Bazaar. This wonderful, wonderful place will just take your breath away and your words. Let me just show you a few scenes from here. As you can see, there is just so much to do. See, it's like an adult Disneyland around here. I mean, let's get a hold of that. Wow. And another thing I would say about Shanghai is probably the most safest place I've ever visited. I feel so safe walking around the streets at night. It's a great place to be. Would you look at that? Beautiful. I would definitely recommend you guys check out this place, especially at night time. You know, the way they light this place up, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. It is really, really magical here. I mean, like, really. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. You know. Okay guys, I'm getting actually quite hungry, so I'm gonna have a look and see what pleases my eye. Come along with me. We'll try and find somewhere to eat. It's quite interesting over here. Some pancakes. I think actually I want to try one of these. Hi there, can I try one of those? Different options. Try it down. Yep. So it's got one, and how you pay is with Alipay. You just set it up to your phone. Done. And as low as 10 yen. Amazing. And there we go. Thank you very much. Just like that, we got some food. Let's go try it. So guys, I got the food. Got a sliced pancake here. Let's have a try and see how it tastes. Not bad, not bad. I think I had more of the flour on the outside there. If I try and take another bite, hopefully I get to the middle where all of the good stuff is. Yeah, pretty good. I give it 8 out of 10. Yeah, do come here to Yuyuan Bazaar. It's amazing. Guys, girls, so I'm on my way to Oriental Tower today, but I'm not going to take a train there. Oh, no, no, no. I'm going to take a robot AI taxi. And to do that, all you have to do is just book it on the Pony AI app via the Alipay. And yeah, this is going to be one hell of a ride to be behind the wheel of a car that no one is driving. So let's wait for the robot AI taxi to come. And here comes the robot AI taxi, guys. As you can see, let's just get inside. As you can see, there's no one in there. Just a nice, cute, cuddly toy. Let's get inside. And we are inside. All you have to do is just scan the QR code to be let inside. But other than that, you can see there's no one behind the wheel. Let's hit the start ride.
We are about to start. Please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened.
And it is off, guys. How crazy is that? It's turning by itself. Look at that. Whoa. And it can just pick up all of the cars that's on the road. This is crazy. It's the future. Absolutely different, I guess. And look, it can even track when the traffic lights change. So you can see it's pulling up to a stop. And it is quite cool how Pony AI, the robot taxi, can pick up all of its surroundings. You know, you can see the motorbike over there, people on the pavement, and so on. It's the future, truly. And this is why China is living in the future. You know, we've got robot taxis already available. It's turning by itself. It is whipping down at 50 kilometers an hour. So cool. So guys, if you want to book a Pony AI robot taxi as well, you can do so via the Alipay app mini program, and inside there you can find the Pony AI app to book your taxi too. But other than that, I mean, it's been really smooth ride. And yeah, I highly recommend this experience. And we have arrived, guys. That is it. Let's come out of the car. And let's watch the taxi pull away. And off it goes. The future. The future is here. So that was quite a cool experience. Very smooth. And yeah, highly recommend. That's the future, guys. Robot taxis replacing real people. Don't know how you feel about that, but it's definitely something to think about. Anyway, let's head to the Oriental Tower. And we are here at the Oriental Pearl Tower. We're gonna have a nice brunch at this wonderful tower. I'm looking forward to it. It's actually a revolving tower too. So let's get inside before it rains some more. So guys, I've made it up to the Oriental Tower in the revolving restaurant. Quite a cool fact, it does one whole rotation in an hour. So I can't actually feel it, but it's quite cool, the mechanics there of how they get a whole building of this size to rotate. Don't know how they would do that, but yeah, let's just tuck in. Well, I just finished my meal. I wouldn't rate it that good, to be honest. However, the views is more of what is a selling point here. And even though the food ain't good, at least the jasmine tea is really good. And yeah, it's just great vibes. So I've now made it to the observatory level, and there's a glass floor. Check this out. You see, that's not a bad view, right? But how do we get there? Oh no, we gotta walk on the glass. It's a long way down. Oh my. Well, absolutely wonderful views though, the tower here. Well guys, that wraps up Shanghai. Thank you so much for watching.